Welcome to a realistic day of living inside of my Honda Element. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm gonna hit the gym and just got some like random errands to do, some things I need to fix on the Honda Element, and some preparations going into Joshua Tree later this weekend. So where did I sleep last night? I just slept in a random neighborhood that I know, that I'm familiar with, and that was really nice and cozy and quiet. So anyway, we're here at the gym. We're gonna hit leg day today. I've been going to the gym a lot. So let's hit leg day, and then we'll see where the day takes us. This is like a realistic day of what it's really like living in my Honda Element. Deal, girl. So I got the gym bag with some dirty clothes in there. I've been addicted to these things 100%. And I'm gonna need my tripod to film. Alright. So there's like the sunrise, right? And then you can see the moon right there. Sunrise and the moon. Now we're at O'Reilly, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna fix this problem I've been having. And if you have a Honda Element, you know this code here, the P2647, which has to do with the VTEC solenoid. I've been having some issues with it, and it's super common. So first things here, we're just gonna go through and erase the code, and we're gonna drive it around, see if it comes back, and if it does, we'll head into O'Reilly and we'll get the part, replace it, and it should be good to go. So the engine is super hot on the Element. So I'm in my other Element, which, believe it or not, has the exact same code as that one. And like I said, it's super common. It happens all the time in the rain. So we're going to let that one cool off. We're going to go get some coffee in this one. We'll see if clearing the code works. And then after our coffee, we'll fix the blue Element. All right. Secure the iced coffee. Big shout out to King Coffee. If you're in the Orange County area, they have literally the best coffee in the world. It's amazing. How are you? What's up, Vato?
How you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you. Fixing elements today. This one's clean, dude.
Every day is fixing elements.
Dude, this one's hella clean.
Right?
That bay is nice, man. First meal of the day, some Papa Grill. All right, we made it to camp. No Honda Element, but we got the Frontier here. What's for dinner, my guy?
We're doing dogs. We're doing some hot dogs.
Yes, sir. So you got Chef Colin in the house. Steven's on fire duty. And we are in BLM land. It's just completely empty out here. So this is an interesting experience. Camping out in a tent. It's been a long time since I've done that. It's because the Element is not here today. So I did get something cool while we're at Walmart. I got the Mr. Beast chocolate, and I've never tried it before, so I want to give it a try for you guys. All right, let's see. Pretty good. Salty taste. The Element boys are here.
Element life.
We just woke up in this BLM land and it's nothing but open space and little remote control cars. So we're gonna try 2 different methods of making coffee today. So we're gonna use just an instant coffee, and then we're also gonna do an AeroPress. So this is super simple. You just put in some hot water, put in about 2 tablespoons of coffee. I already put coffee, but you literally just put it in, stir it up, and then it's good to go. So this is the instant coffee. Miguel's gonna give it a try. What do you think?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Nice.
For the time it took to make, like 30 seconds, perfect.
Now let's have you try the AeroPress.
I like it too.
Yeah, well, it's hard to
I
compare.
like it better though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's hard to compare with those beans that your customer
Yes,
gave you.
I was about to tell you that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard to compare because of the beans. I'm not sure if you can buy this in beans and then just grind it.
Yeah, that'd be way
Yeah.
nicer.
It'll be a good comparison, but I'll take both. Both are very good.
Nice. Okay, so this is the instant coffee. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's like really strong, a little bitter. But now let's try the AeroPress. Ooh, this is better. Absolutely, this is much better. AeroPress wins, hands down. Miguel made the mistake of letting me drive his khaki. Big mistake.
Huge.
So
Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should.
it's over, dude. I really hope you liked your car, man. It was fun while it
Love
lasted.
Ok, gracias.
Ciao. Yes, sir. Miguel's free soloing.
Yeah.
Oh man, you're like clever. You made it look so easy. Awesome.
We're still rock climbing here in Joshua Tree. Just doing a couple of like little rock scrambles. Super cool. So now I'm excited to get back home and fix my own Honda Element, my other one, the blue one, so we can take it out on some really cool adventures for you guys. But I'm happy that Miguel and Hal are here so we can actually show you like some Element content.
Gotta love California.
That's so cool. This whole like mural. The aliens right there. There we go. Salud.
Pretty good for food. Yeah, the citrus.